everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I'm super excited. I was contacted by a company called Newcraftyday.com, and they had asked me if I would like to do a cooperation with them, and I was like, well, absolutely. So what they have is some super cute items. They've got like painting by numbers, they've got diamond paintings, and just all kinds of stuff. And you really need to go check them out. And also, if you spend $50, you will get 2 free products. And if you use the code NewcraftyDay05, you will get 5% off of your order. And I will leave all of that information down below. So let me show you what I got. And I'm super excited to try this. Let me show you. I'm going to have a lot of fun, let me just tell you. So the first item that I picked out was this. And let me pull it out real quick. And I absolutely love like tigers and cats. You know how I am. And this looks like a tiger to me. And this is a diamond painting. And guys, it's a leather bookmark. Look, it's leather. And it comes with all of everything you need. So we are going to have some fun with this. But look how beautiful. They've got these bookmarks, these leather bookmarks that are diamond, like a diamond painting. And it's got this beautiful butterfly. I am so excited to try this. Look, and it looks good just like that. But can you imagine when you put the diamonds on there? Hubba hubba, baby. But isn't that beautiful? So I'm super excited to try that. And it looks like it comes with the tray and the tool to pick the diamonds up. And as you all have so kindly told me, this is like the little glue that you put on there to pick the diamonds up so it'll stick. So see, thank you guys so much, because I hadn't done a diamond painting. And here are the diamonds that it comes with. And then here's the beautiful tassel that matches this gorgeous bookmark. So we are going to have some fun with that. And let me tell you, this next one, when I seen this, I thought, you know what? I have not done a paint by numbers since I was like a little girl, which was what, 5 years ago? And I don't want to hear you all snickering now, but I wanted to do a paint by number. And look at what all you get with this kit. Make sure I got everything out of there. But this is, okay, well, let me just show you. Let me show you. I love it. And it's on like a canvas, guys. It's on a canvas. Can you tell what those are? They are cats. So I got a paint by number, and it's the cats. And look at, they send you all of the paints that you need. They're numbered. And they also send you paintbrushes. Looks like really nice paintbrushes. And you also get some little hanging. That way, if you want to hang this up and like put it in a frame, then you can. But look, and this cat here is holding a mouse. And I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is what it's supposed to look like. Is that not stinking cute? I'm sorry you're getting the glare from my light above. But that's what the cats are going to look like. You see how I had, look at this. I had to get that. And you can frame it. So I haven't done this in years and years and years and years. So I was super excited. Let me see if I can pull up. Here it is. Look at the bookmark done. Is that not gorgeous? So I'm super excited, and I thank them so very much for reaching out to me. But I wanted to do this unboxing with you all, and we are going to have some super fun. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.